Hello everyone, I hope that everything is fine, that you're having a great weekend. Just to remind you that this assignment you need to look for 10 books. The information is basic like what a APA require for books. That for reference area you need to have the last name, the initial, the year, the title of the book, and then the publisher. Okay. Just remind also that if you have the opportunity and you are allowed by your family and you don't have any health problems or any other objection, please you can go to our library at SETI's campus. You can look for one or two books and then you can use it. It's going to be great experience. The way that you go there, you just enter to the library. You know where is the building. At the left side of the entrance is the circulation desk. Over there they can help you if you have any question or doubt. The right side is there are two computers, these terminals that they are terminal of the online catalog. You can look for information over there. When you can look over information over there, then you're going to put the, the subject area that you're looking for, and then there's going to be a call number. Please um, take note of the call number, and then you can go to the collection at the library. You have any questions where to look for the book, our personnel or the circulation desk, they can help you to get that over there. When you find the book, you can look for other books that can help you as well. And then remember that if there is a printer book, at the back side of the book there are normally a summary of the book that you can use, because remember, for the 10 books that you are looking, doesn't matter if they are printed or they are online. Another part of the homework is that you get the Bible information that I already mentioned, but also the summary as well. Okay, have a great weekend. I hope that everything's fine. I will see you for the groups that they are normally with me Monday and Wednesday. Excuse me, Monday and Friday. I am going to see you on Friday, and also the group that they are working with me on Tuesday and Friday. I'm going to see you as well on Friday. Okay, have a great week. I will see you on Friday.